everybody, welcome to my channel. Larissa is here. I'm 60 and fabulous, traveling in Mexico and living my best life. I love Mexican food, and fresh salsa is one of the condiments that, in my opinion, makes absolutely every dish that much tastier. There are so many different kinds of salsa here, but in today's video I will be sharing an authentic recipe for a salsa roja mexicana. So let's make it together. It is a very simple recipe with just a few ingredients, and anyone can make it under 30 minutes. We need tomatoes, garlic, dry chili pepper, salt at the very end to taste. There are so many different kinds of chili peppers here. But today, to make my salsa, I'm gonna use this chile de árbol seco. Okay, let's cut tomatoes in quarters. Okay, ready to transfer into the pan. Actually, I'm going to use the baking tray, not a pan. So let's transfer it here. Okay. And now it's ready to put it in the oven. Now I'm turning on the oven. So I'm gonna put it to 250 degrees, it's Celsius. So that is just a timer. Okay, so it's ready. And let's put the tomatoes in. Okay. And we are gonna wait for about 10-15 minutes, and I'll show you how it will look a little bit later. So now it's been about 10 minutes since I put tomatoes in the oven, and I'm gonna add garlic. So I have 3 cloves of garlic and 2 chili peppers. Remember, those chili peppers are spicy, especially when you use it with the seeds inside. I made my first batch with only 1 chili pepper, and it was not spicy for me, but be careful. And we wait again, a little bit longer. Now 20 minutes later, tomatoes look like this. So I'm gonna just lift one and show you how the skin looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna let it sit for another few minutes just to cool down, and we continue on. Now let's peel the tomato skin off. So it's pretty easy. See, it's just like this. Now let's put tomatoes, chili pepper and garlic into the blender and turn it on. You can make it very smooth or leave just some chunks in your salsa, whatever you like. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of water, turn the blender on again for a few seconds, and then salt to taste at the end. Next step, I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just filtered water, and salt to taste, and just blend a little bit more. It's ready, so I'm gonna just preserve it in container, and I use the salsa everywhere. I put it on my eggs, in my soup, even it can be just a part of your salad dressing, seriously. You can add it anywhere and it will make your dish that much tastier. Now friends, please leave me your comments below. How did you like Salsa Roja Mexicana? And thank you for watching everyone. Ciao ciao for now.